Goa Cat Haven, where every whisker finds love. They rescue, feed, and care for abandoned cats and kittens across Goa. You can sponsor a bag of Whiskas food directly or contribute on GPay 92724233172. Every small act of kindness keeps them healthy, safe, and loved. Your support also helps with vaccinations, sterilization, and surgeries for these rescued furry friends. For more details, please check the description. You may contribute to sponsor a meal, adopt, or just spread the love.